Hello, today I have a quick update regarding the SV8 Max. As you may know, we have published the fit, the front display, the top hat, the display mounted on the top hat. Also, we have an enclosure version with hinges, all that you need. And we have some nice features new that I want to share with you regarding the gantry. We have a full 3D printed gantry with the new design for the front idlers and how you tighten your belts. It's more easy and more precise, and you have a little bit more travel. Also, the Nema 17 version, it has double shear. Here we have a bearing. Let me remove this piece. We have a bearing so you can support your shaft so when you tighten the belts to don't bend the shaft. And another big surprise for the SV8 Max users is that we have Nema 23 gantry support. This is a fully 3D printed gantry with Nema 23, because the SV8 Max, it has bigger and heavier gantry. Spoke with the guys from LDO, and there will be available some powerful NEMA 23 motors for the SV8 Max. And as well, we have the new idlers, so it will be more easy to tighten your belts. Stick around because we have more add-ons and upgrades for your favorite 3D printer. See you. Bye.